Profitable Forex Tips by www.forexconspiracyreport.com. If you want to make money trading Forex, you need to learn how the system works, devote sufficient trading capital, set up a Forex account, and purchase the internet connection, hardware, and software that allow you to trade currencies. Once you have all of the Forex basics in place, there are a few profitable Forex tips that can make all of the difference in the world. The first of our profitable Forex tips is the time-honored saying, "There is no free lunch." To make money trading foreign currencies, you need to learn the fundamentals that eventually determine market pricing, and you need to follow them every day. And you need to keep abreast of constantly evolving market sentiment, the technical analysis of Forex currencies. Read on for more profitable Forex tips. Fear and greed drive markets. Contrarians in Forex trading are simply those folks who are able to distance themselves from the psychology that drives many traders. When prices are going up, people tend to get greedy, and when prices are going down, they tend to become afraid. The second of our profitable Forex tips is to keep a cool head and observe the market. When prices rise too far or fall too far, they correct. You do not get paid for how many times you place trades. You make money by placing the correct trades. Range traders get in at the bottom and sell at the top. Learn from experience, and better learn from the experience of others, and avoid falling prey to fear and greed, the twin demons of the market. Fundamentals determine the ultimate price. While many traders are making multiple trades for pennies at a time, fundamental traders are looking into the future to predict where the market will be tomorrow, next week, or next month. These traders often use Forex options to stake out positions and then wait for the market to come to them. Of our profitable Forex tips, this may be the best. Understand the market, be patient, and then execute for tidy profits. Being awake is important. Because the Forex markets are open around the clock in London, New York, and Tokyo, it is tempting to trade 24 hours a day. This is not really possible, and trying to do this is not smart. Taking a break when you are tired, depressed, or sick are all profitable Forex tips. At the end of the day, your Forex profits are the composite of your gains and losses. Do not trade when you are too tired to see. It is all too easy to make one really bad trade that wipes out your profits for the day, week, month, or year. It is also too easy to forget to close out your positions at the end of the trading day, which leaves you vulnerable to after-market activity that can eat up your trading account in one big gulp. Desperation has no place in trading Forex, so pay attention. Do your homework and only trade when you understand what you are trying to accomplish. For more useful information and insights into Forex trading, visit www.forexconspiracyreport.com.